guaped and successful, Nasty C turns 21-year-olds. But guys, how is it possible that one of the most successful hip-hop musicians in the country just turned 21? Nasty C, who has endless stream of hits, celebrated his 21st birthday over the weekend. And although his tracks bring the spice, he was humble while celebrating the milestone day. "Been getting this much love all day. Thank you all," he wrote on Instagram. Gold chains, branded clothes and fancy cars, that's how 21 looks for the musician. And that, say friends close to him, is just the start. He is here to take it all. He doesn't get involved in the drama. He is here to make hits and he is very focused, an insider told SUBCRIBE. Well, damn, if this is what 21 looks like, then his future is gonna be littered with those Randillas.